Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you what you should be doing if you've forgotten your Santander bank's credit card pin. So if you have forgotten your Santander bank's credit card pin, all you have to do is just follow the steps. So the card is a secret 4-digit number you need to know in order to withdraw cash from the ATM or authorize purchase. If you don't remember it, you can check your card pin in the Santander app or by online banking. And likewise, if nothing seems to be working out, then you could also use your password to log in from your home page. That is, going to press the login button, and then you can go ahead and press on forgot password located right at the bottom, and this is going to take you to the official page where you can go ahead and press on forgot password, and the email is going to be sent to the registered email address. So that is what you should be doing if you have forgotten your Santander bank's credit card pin. And the other way to do it so is by you could go to login into your account, and in the top menu click on accounts and card, and then go to cards. Then you could go to select the card you want to view and click on online pin queries in the menu on the right hand side. In both cases you will need to have your electronic signature active and operational to complete transaction. So that is basically what you should be doing if you have forgotten your Santander bank credit card pin. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.